Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make your own CAD. First, you'll choose a starting point, either a blank canvas or one of the many pre-designed templates. This initial decision sets the foundation for your entire website. Then, you'll begin customizing the layout, adding your unique content, and selecting your preferred color scheme and fonts. It's a straightforward process designed for quick and easy website creation, often taking less than 1 hour for a simple site. Once you've chosen your starting point, dive into the design phase. CAD offers over 100 templates, providing a fantastic base for any project. You can easily adjust fonts, colors, and background images to perfectly align with your personal brand or project theme. Remember to organize your content into logical sections for a clean, professional look. This ensures your site is visually appealing and easy to navigate for every visitor. Now it's time to populate your CAD with engaging content and powerful features. You can seamlessly integrate text, high-quality images, videos, and even audio files to tell your story. CAD also allows you to embed widgets from popular services such as Spotify or YouTube, enhancing interactivity. Setting up contact forms or newsletter signups is straightforward, enabling direct engagement with your audience. You can add up to 50 elements on a single page, offering extensive customization. The final step is publishing your CAD and sharing it with the world. You have the option to use a free CAD, co-URL, or connect your own custom domain for a more professional touch. Before publishing, ensure your site is optimized for mobile responsiveness, guaranteeing a great experience on any device. With just one click, your website will be live, providing a fast-loading and secure platform for your audience to enjoy. It's that simple to get your online presence established.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.